into 1 first gear, 5 miles per hour and 1.5 RPMs. That's freaking awesome, man. This car is handling itself. It really is. It's just one quirk. I don't really know why it's doing what it's doing, but it's been doing it all night. Getting on my last damn nerves. I was going to put it in sleeper mode, see how it handles itself out of manual mode. So, it's doing it. Definitely got up over that hill with zero hesitation. You may have seen my traction control light blinking. I was just saying that all 4 wheels were slipping. This is a full-time permanent all-wheel drive. I forgot the ratio between front and rear axles. I think it's like 35% front, 65 rear. So it's definitely, and I can feel it. In contrast to my C300, that was more so 50-50-ish. The rear-wheel drive bias of this all-wheel drive system is apparent. It is apparent. It's cool. It's drivable. These tires are good. They're not winter tires. They're all seasons. So that hard compound is not really, the best thing to be driving in this type of weather with these road conditions. But it's better than having summer tires or just straight out, just regular all seasons. These Continental DW SO6 Pluses are classified as high performance all season tires, and they're fantastic. Just come to a complete stop here real quick. There's no one behind me. Nobody behind me. And just take off normally as I would. Let's go. It was gonna rev all the way up. I'll do that again. It was gonna rev all the way up. It's not in manual mode, so I'm not sure why I thought it needed to do that. I'm feeling ABS right now. So one more time. 0. Let's go. It's fighting. I can feel it. There we go. I do have to be cognizant of as everyone does, of the ride height of this car, the ground clearance. Because obviously, if I were to go in anything above, what is it for this car, 4 inches? I'm just gonna stick with that. But it's gonna get stuck. So no tire compound, no all-wheel drive is gonna help me out with that. If I exceed the limits of the tread and or the tire, the ground clearance, I'm gonna be in trouble. So let me stick it back in individual mode. Let them go do what they're doing. Appreciate you guys. Let him go as well, and go on with my day. All right, let's see if I can get it now to pop like it usually does when it's cold. Still mild, still waking up, but at least the numbers are good now, and see if I'm ready to go. Valves are open. so I'm not trying to be too much of a hoonigan right now. R.I.P. Good luck. These tires, I didn't speak about these tires in this clip. I have another couple of clips that I haven't sequenced quite yet, so this video actually might make it out first. It's just less work. Continental DWS06 Plus is a fantastic compound for what they are. They're classified or characterized rather as ultra high performance all seasons or something of the sort on tire rack. Did not mean to do that. I'm using one hand here to go ahead and squeeze these gear shift levers, which are electroplated, so they feel fantastic in the hand. That's what he said. You know, if you know. Balloons, yes. Proceeding. I'm not trying to get any type of strikes here on YouTube. I really don't really care, but if that's how that stuff works, if anyone wants to get offended, then, you know, it's not the channel for you. So a little bit of my past, please just go ahead and check out my Instagram channel, or page rather, at, what is it, Falterbach.43, so that's AFFALTERBACH.43, Falterbach, you know, paying homage to where these cars came from. This has the DNA, this has the ethos of AMGs. This is not the first AMG that I've driven or been around. You know, I had aspirations, like I said earlier, of owning. Finally, I can't believe it sometimes. Thank you, Jesus. My dream car. You know, it's fantastic. So, just the way these things operate, they sound. This one's set up pretty good. Aiming to keep it that way. It's pretty good stuff. But with that, I'm done talking. Let's end this with one more pull. And 3, 2, 1. First gear, 5 miles per hour and 1.5 RPMs.